So it was a wonderful experience working with Anand and his team, Blue Sky Concept. Actually, this is not a first time experience, it's actually the second project that we have taken up with
Done it
Anand.
together, yeah.
Yeah. So the earlier one being the apartment, and this one is our villa project. I think the best part is that Anand's aesthetics, his aesthetics actually fit our style. You know, the kind of
It's pretty accommodative in terms of there were a lot of on-the-fly changes which we did, like breaking the kitchen wall, bringing them into it, taking away servant room. There were a lot of unplanned changes which we did, and what we liked about working with Anand was he was very accommodative and quite flexible in terms of the approach, and we were able to get a lot of things done.
Yeah, the
In a
choice.
pretty nice fashion.
Yes, it was all the color choice and the kind of wallpaper choice, or getting our puja room, getting the the balcony, the outdoor thing coming inside and making it into a complete puja room. Everything was really, it actually fit our aesthetics which we wanted, the way we wanted. So it has come out well. So that's right. So we wanted a complete contemporary look, and if you look into our if you see the ground level portion of our house, we have made it into a puja room and a dining. It is an open kitchen, and ensured that nothing from the kitchen, as such, any vessels or anything, it looks, it just doesn't look like a kitchen when you're sitting in the living room. And we have converted one room completely into a study room, where we have made it like a complete library, and it actually gives you a feel of as if you are at your work.
Yeah, in terms of the illuminance, in terms of the aesthetic, everything was taken care quite well, just to make sure that you have the right set of ambience to allow people to concentrate and read through it.
And we never wanted this, we don't want a very congested environment. So even in our all our master bedroom, and if you see other bedrooms, we ensured they helped us making it look very spacious.
Yeah, in terms of the kind of color choices what we made in light, subtle pastel colors, those were the kind of colors which we always wanted to go in for.
He helped us with that
Yeah,
idea.
he helped us with a lot of those design elements. There were couple of slightest things which people generally tend to ignore it, but I think so with the help of Anand we were able to go ahead and get this thing done, and it was a pleasant experience working with him. That's what I can
In
say
fact,
now.
even our child's bedroom, that was also made it in such a way that because he ensured that seeing that he's getting into the teens, and ensuring that his age kind of experience and how the room should look, and it should not look very babyish, ensured with all the color combinations of the kid. And we wanted an elevated, I always wanted a bunker bed, so which he never wanted to go for, that understanding that he's growing up. But Anand made it so that it matches both of our choice, and he ensured that he gave us an elevated setup for my son's bedroom, which actually came out well. Actually, that was the best part. In fact, in our house, I feel our puja room and my son's room has really come out very well, the way we wanted.
If we look at our bedroom, I think so we kept our theme very subtle, in the shade of grey, everything right from the wallpaper, what we selected in terms of the low height beds, in terms of the wardrobes, giving a lacquered finish. So I think so all those elements were all taken care just to make sure that we have a very pleasant, quite bright and
Yeah, and thanks to
comfortable
Anand
room.
that everyone who came here was really impressed by the color, the choice of wallpapers which were taken, for our house. So
just
that's
the
something which we
interior.
would have definitely not thought of when we were seeing the wallpaper, but the color when we were making choice of. But he ensured that he said that no, it is. He actually ensured that it will come out well. We should go for it. So I think
not
that's
just the
what-
indoor but the outdoor
Yeah.
portico what we had in terms of our roof garden. So everything was all taken care quite well.
Yeah. So I think it was an overall nicely done
Positive experience
project.
working with them. It was a 6 or 7 months project, but I think so it all went as what we planned it, and I think so there were slight hiccups like any other projects do happen, but I think so the way in which Anand meticulously worked with his team never let us feel the pain. So I think so it's kudos to his team and Anand himself who has been quite instrumental in keeping the team on and getting works done.
Yeah. We would
Best of
just
luck,
like
Anand.
to
Yeah.
wish him all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.